Capricorn yearly horoscope for 2021 around love. You tend to be easy and straightforward in everything you do, Capricorn, including love and romance. Sometimes you don't just understand why your mate or love interest is flummoxed by your direct and somewhat unromantic approach to love, and that baffles you. After all, you are loyal and devoted, and you aim to please. This year, you may begin to understand that the other side of romance, where sweet nothings whispered in someone's ear carry great allure. You may find yourself daydreaming more often of your loved one and planning a romantic getaway or a night on the town. You may have to fight against your nature a bit to follow these feelings, but if you do, then love can become more thrilling for you than it has ever been. You happen to have excellent self-control, but you also expect to control things in a relationship. Not because you're a dominant person who must always feel being in control, but truly because you see yourself as a capable planner and organizer. You may find yourself with someone this year who will fight against that, and if this is a budding romance, you will need to adjust for it to survive. If you're attached, then your partner might demand more control within the relationship, and this is, again, something on which you can compromise.